Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and today we want to present our material with name evaluation and testing in ESP. The first material is about evaluation. Pauline Robinson in his book defines evaluation as the discovery of the value for some purposes. Other clearer definition is proposed by Alderan and Murphy, who writes that evaluation is the concern with describing what is there and placing some value on what is found. Jadi Pauline Robinson dalam bukunya mendefinisikan evaluasi sebagai penemuan nilai untuk beberapa tujuan. Definisi lain yang lebih jelas dikemukakan oleh Alderson dan Murphy yang menulis bahwa evaluasi berkaitan dengan mendeskripsikan apa yang ada dan memberikan nilai pada apa yang ditemukan. Next is things to consider in evaluation. First, why carry out an evaluation? Mengapa kita melakukan evaluasi? Second, what is subject of the evaluation exercise? Jadi, apa subjek evaluasi pelatihan kita? The third is, who carries out the evaluation? Siapa yang melakukan evaluasi? Dan yang terakhir, how is the evaluation carried out? Bagaimana evaluasi dilakukan? Ada banyak cara melakukan evaluasi kepada siswa, seperti questionnaires, checklist, interview, assessment, observation, discussion, records, and so on. Next is the level of evaluation. There are two levels in evaluation. First, learner assessment is to assess the learner performance at the beginning and at the end of the course. And the second, course evaluation is the evaluation of ESP course itself. It helps to assess whether the course objectives are being met and whether the course is doing what it was designed to do. Okay, next material will be presented by our friend Rizka binti Samsulbari.
Well, I'm Rizka binti Samsulbari. I will continue the material. The next material about testing. Definition of testing. Testing is a tool or procedure where we use for measure or know how much someone knowledge about the something. The next material about performance-based testing. Depending on characteristics, language and other tests can be like the first is we can call non-referenced test, where here provides information about an individual's relative rank with reference to other individuals who have taken the test. It is according to Bachman in Robinson 1991. The next is criterion referenced tests, where here test scores are reported and interpreted as reference to specific context, domain, or criterion of performance. Tests for EGP are typically non-referenced, while ESP are typically criterion referenced tests. One of the tests of the ESP test designer is to determine the exact nature of the criterion for judging adequate performance.
How specific should the context be? When devising an ESP text, one should aim at creating good and dependable measure of language ability which need to. Saat merancang teks ESP, seseorang harus bertujuan menciptakan ukuran kemampuan bahasa yang baik dan dapat diandalkan. Yang diperlukan number one, the context must be valid. Konteks harus valid. 2. The topic 4 must be parallel, like L text, or have 3 parallel forms, or life science, physical science, and R. Bentuk topik harus paralel, seperti teks IEL memiliki 3 bentuk paralel, ilmu hayat, ilmu fisika, dan seni. 3. Be as authentic as possible, menjadi seotentik mungkin. 4. Provide accurate and reliable measure of language ability, memberikan ukuran kemampuan bahasa yang akurat dan handal. Have Beneficial effect memiliki efek menguntungkan. Be practical and economical administration, times, money, and personal. Praktis dan ekonomis dalam hal administrasi, waktu, uang, dan personal. Types of testing. A. Text oral ability or speaking text. B. Elicitation technique. C. Listening text. D. Writing text. E. Testing reading comprehension. F. Testing grammar. G. Testing vocabulary.